Make a great choice today with the 2018 NV Cargo. The Nissan NV Cargo is a mixture of functionality, efficiency, and performance. A wide variety of styles allows you to pick the perfect match for your needs. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, outside temperature gauge, wheel covers, navigation system, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power door locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.